Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile guys network speed setting, how to show network speed on status bar. Friends, you want to check, you want to show Redmi mobile phone mobile network speed, Wi-Fi network speed. So man, how to show network speed on status bar one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, open your Redmi mobile phone setting. After phone settings, as you can see this tab interface in device. So friends, scroll it and friends click here notifications setting. After notification, friends, you can off notification from here. App notification you want to off, so you can off from here. And friends, notification controls enter style, you want to change old version, you want to set new version, so you can select your old and new version from here. So friends, click here status bar setting. After status bar, friends, you can see show notification icon. When this notification icon show on screen, if you off, so friends, you can see notification icon will not show on status bar. And friends, you want to show mobile network speed, so friends, click here show connection speed setting. After on, friends, connect any Wi-Fi network and you can on your mobile network. So friends, I don't have SIM card in my mobile. You have, so turn on your mobile network and you can check your mobile network speed. So friends, I will connect Wi-Fi network. After connect Wi-Fi network, friends, you can check left side network speed will show on status bar. So friends, we can check Wi-Fi network speed in Infinix or Redmi mobile. So like that friends, you can show network speed, mobile network speed, Wi-Fi network speed on status bar. And friends, again if you off mobile network speed setting, and friends if you Wi-Fi, so friends you cannot check network speed on status bar. Again on Wi-Fi network, and friends you can check your Wi-Fi network speed left side, friends network speed will show on status bar. And friends if you off show connection speed setting, so friends you cannot use network speed setting. Friends, you can see when I will off show connection speed, then this network speed will not show on status bar. Network speed will off. So friends, you want to show network speed, Wi-Fi network speed, so show on your show connection speed setting, and you can check Wi-Fi network speed and mobile network speed. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.